You guys, we are here at Modern Drama in Chicago. And yes, it's giving all the drama. Why? Because this is one of the biggest antique warehouses in the United States ever. They specialize in mid-century modern furniture, and you guys know, that's my favorite kind of furniture, okay? So I am so excited, beyond excited, to go in here and check out what they have. I'm feeling all the feels, okay? This is like Christmas morning right now. Not even. This is like you got Sunday off, phone on D&D, and a nice book, crisp, ready to read. I'm feeling all the tingles and all the places. So without further ado, let's go in there and see what amazing pieces they have. Let's check it out. There's so much in here. I have no idea where to even start. I'm literally like a kid in a candy store. I'm freaking out. I don't even know where to start. There's so many cool items in here. So he said that they specialize in mid-century and postmodern. I actually have that coffee table right over here. Let me show you. So this couch right here and this table, I'm absolutely gagging. Let me show you. This is like a beautiful leather set, real leather, so cute. Okay, let me show you. You guys, look at this burlwood shelf right here. How cute is this? Absolutely love. Oh, look at this, guys. They have all of these like vintage architectural digest magazines. How cute. Okay. I'm gonna pee on myself. I have a green marble coffee table that's very similar to that. It makes me think that I can up the price on it. Ooh, this is really cute too. You guys, they have a lot of nice accent chairs and a lot of nice, can you hear me? Okay. They have a lot of nice accent chairs and a lot of like really gorgeous coffee tables. Look at this one. Now this is pretty cute. I have not seen a table like this before. I love the pink marble on top. Now I'm gonna check out the middle of the store. I already did the far left section. Now we're gonna go down the middle. This store is like endless. There's so many sections to check out. I really don't know where to start. I'm just gonna go through really slow and really take everything in, because Lord knows next time I'm gonna get an opportunity to see amazing furniture like this all in one place. Oh my gosh, look at this art. I really want to get some art while I'm here. I saw some really cute pieces on TikTok, and so hopefully I can find some art. Look at this piece right here. I really like this one right here. gosh, I'm gonna have a heart attack. Look at this sofa. How cute is this? Okay. What does it say? Sculptural 1980s sofa. It's going for $7,200. But look at the pattern on it. Look at the fabric. It's like anything that I've ever seen before. It's so cute. Is the chair of my dreams, and paired with this fabric, how gorgeous is this? So cute. You guys, I just left, and let me tell you, that place was so nice. That was so nice. If you are a mid-century modern / postmodern lover, definitely check out Modern Drama. It was definitely worth the train ride over. They do ship internationally, so I wish I was in a more quiet place, but geez. They have an online store as well that you can check out, and they do ship internationally. I'll go ahead and put their website link down in the description box below. Anyways, I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.